Broadx Outfitters. We promise comfort. Being in the textile and RMG segments for decades, we are with a mission in manufacturing, sourcing apparel items both for the domestic and foreign markets. We are ready to provide you with the most optimal costings and best-of-class clothing's production experience. We have teams equally professional in dealing with woven, knit, and sweater items. Our company values the hard work of the artisans who makes the products, which is why we collaborate with sustainable factories to ensure that they are treated with respect and dignity. In regular interval, we are coming up with offers of new design, perfectly fit the seasons ahead, for buyers with customizable options. A team with highly skilled personnel works right from the initial stage of sourcing raw materials to the stage of finished products to ensure the required quality. Please send your inquiry. No cost for sample development.